Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will going to learn how to install CodeIgniter 3 on Windows. So CodeIgniter 3 is very powerful framework and you can do a lot of things with CodeIgniter. So in this entire video series we will going to learn what things you can actually do and what are the basic concepts and various techniques in CodeIgniter. So to begin that, we have to make sure that we have a good copy of CodeIgniter 3 on our machine. So right now we will going to do a quick installation of CodeIgniter 3 on localhost. So we will be using XAMPP as our primary web server on local environment. So after that we will going to download the latest copy of CodeIgniter 3 because there are multiple versions. So right now when I'm actually recording this video, there is also CodeIgniter 4 and the doing cut. And the reason why I'm basically creating a CodeIgniter 3 series before CodeIgniter 4 is just to make sure that this CodeIgniter 3 concepts are pretty clear to you before you jump to CodeIgniter 4, because CodeIgniter 4 is something near to the Laravel and that kind of a fashion, and the way of code writing and routings and all that stuff is a little bit of that kind of a fashion. So you need to first understand what is MVC and how controller, model, view and database interaction is actually being done. Once you are into that entire scenario, because this entire video series, almost there will be 10 videos where we will be covering from installation to a file upload feature, which will be a simple file upload. But into that we will be talking about controllers, file structure, routing, view, model, helper, classes, caching, error handling and all that other stuff, which will be pretty basic concepts for CodeIgniter 3. So if you are an advanced user of CodeIgniter 3, this video series will not be a good for you, because here we will be talking very beginner kind of a language which any beginner can understand, and how CodeIgniter 3 is basically set up in its own whole framework. So to begin with, we should have XAMPP, as I already installed XAMPP. So let me just start. Yeah, so my local XAMPP server is started. Let me just open localhost and see what I get is dashboard. Perfect. Now what I have to do, I have to go to CodeIgniter.com, and basically we are talking about CodeIgniter 3, so you have to download CodeIgniter 3. So this is the place where you can download this particular framework. So I have downloaded it and it will go into my downloads folder. So here is my download folder, and basically I have to extract it. So I'm going to extract this particular folder to htdocs under XAMPP folder. Okay, so most of the time it will be under your C drive. So here is all the files of that framework, and I'm going to go into compress folder tools and select the appropriate folder where I want to extract it. So I will be going into C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, and here is the place where I will create another folder, that is CodeIgniter 3. Enter, and over here I'm going to extract all the files. So this is the first step, by the way. So after you have a zip file of CodeIgniter 3, this will be the first step to extract your framework in htdocs. Okay, so once you have this framework in your htdocs, then let's move on to here. Yeah, so here we have this htdocs, and inside the CodeIgniter 3 folder there is again different folders. So what I need to do, I have to just select all and move it under CodeIgniter 3. So this happens sometime, but if you are able to see this particular thing, then it's a simple way to actually move the files from this folder to the parent folder. So that's it. And now I'm going to delete this folder to clean the entire stuff. So right now we have this entire framework. Let me just go into so directly I can jump over to localhost and then /CodeIgniter 3 and hit enter. So boom, so we have now a working framework on our local machine. So this is the very simple step to actually install CodeIgniter on your local host. So this is the simple process, and in the next video we will going to see the file structure and understand various files and folders in this particular framework. So we will be covering various other folders and files and where you have to actually work. So follow along with me in the next video, and if you like this video, please like and share, and do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest update when there will be a new video posted on the channel. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.